Hey Nailiaddicts, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing a St. Patrick's Day inspired mani using some untried dips, and I'm also going to show y'all how to use iGelBeauty's ombre gel. For these dips, I wanted to spotlight Mallory's nails because she did a video recently showing you how to layer your decals or stickers in between 2 layers of dip. The ombre gel is supposed to help you blend your powders together seamlessly. So you apply your ombre gel, cure it for 10 seconds in your LED light, and then you start sprinkling or dipping your powder on your nail. You don't need to cure it more than 10 seconds because if you do, it won't be sticky enough to adhere to the dip powder. So as you can see, I'm using the sprinkle method where I'm just tapping the dip powder onto the nail and then gently using my makeup sponge brush to kind of rub it in to get that faded look in between the 2 colors. After giving it a quick cure in the lamp for no more than 30 seconds, I dust off the excess and I apply the second layer of ombre gel and repeat the process again. You can repeat this method for as many times as you want. Some people don't like their dip powders to be really thick, so I only did this 3 times until I achieved the opacity that I was looking for. Okay, as I was doing this dip powder, even though I read the front of it that says temperature glow, I still was trying to figure out why it wasn't gray anymore and why did it have this like pink color on it, and was that a transfer from the brush? Like, did I not clean my brush off? As you can see, it went from gray to white because I put it in the lamp and that changed the temperature of it. But I kept forgetting that and I kept trying to figure out, why does it look so different? Like, am I scrubbing it wrong? Is something wrong with this brush I'm using? Tell me if that's ever happened to y'all. It's kind of like when you use glow in the dark on your nails, and then when you like go to bed and you look down and you like scare yourself. Like, what is that? And you like, now you remember, like, oh yeah, I have glow in the dark nails on because you forgot. So just to be on the safe side, I use this makeup cleaner sponge that I got from Dollar Tree, and it keeps the dip powders from transferring colors to each other on the nail. So that comes in handy when you're doing ombres or when you just want to clean your brush off in general. So what Mallory did was she put a thin layer of dip powder down, and I believe she activated hers and then put the stickers on. Okay, so I forgot to do that part. And then again, maybe she didn't do that. I need to rewatch the video. I should have rewatched it. Okay, so I put the layer of dip powder down and I brushed the excess off and I put the stickers directly on top of it. And once I was done with that, I put a layer of base gel over it, and then I sprinkled the dip powder over that part and then cured it in a lamp and dusted off the excess. So what you get is this like frosted matte look that looks like the 4-leaf clovers are just hidden just below the surface but still able to see them really good. I really like this technique. I'm so glad that I did watch her video and learned this. I would have never thought to do this with my stickers. She used water decals, but obviously you can use stickers too. For the 2 glitter nails, I use Modelones clear builder gel to go over top, and then I took my buffer and buffed it smooth, and that way it didn't disturb the glitters. But for the other 3 nails, including the layered sticker nail, I used a matte top coat gel from iGelBeauty. And what do you guys think about this ombre gel from iGelBeauty? I think it could have been blended a little more, but it did make it easier for me to do the ombre method. I think once I applied the dip powder using this method, I kind of want to keep doing it again because normally I wouldn't have done it this way. So that is the end of the manicure, guys. What do you think about this? Would you try iGelBeauty ombre gel? And also, what do you guys think about this layering method for your stickers? Let me know down in the comments below. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.